It ain't over till I say we done. You too. What's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B. We back in this mode with another video, man. Today we're gonna be doing a real quick unboxing of the Xbox Series X, man. We got the big dog here from Microsoft, man. I'm excited to do an unboxing on this, man. Xbox Series X in 2023. It's a dope console, man. I'm not 100% sure if they're gonna be releasing like a slimmer version of this. I'm not sure of that. I know it's like some speculations that Sony might be dropping like a slim version of the PS5, man. But we shall see. We shall see. But until then, we're gonna do this unboxing real quick, man. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy right here. I do got the Forza Horizon 5 bundle here, man. The Xbox been fairly hard to find, man, these last couple of days, while the PlayStation 5 been like super easy to cop, you know what I'm saying, compared to these past years. But yeah, man, I don't know why, man. If y'all know why, let me know in the comments, man. I'm curious to see why they been like kind of hard or out of stock, I should say. The original, the bundles are in stock, but like the original $4.99 version has been recently out of stock, man. But let's do this unboxing, man. They got this tape out here strong, man. All right. Let's see what else the tape at, man. What games are y'all rocking though, man? Over here on the Xbox, y'all let me know, man. I haven't got a chance to play that new like Harry Potter game. I believe it's called Hogwarts or something like that. Let me know how it is in the comments, man, if y'all got a chance to play it. Yeah, man. It looked pretty dope to me. Like, the graphics look super sick. Yeah, it looked pretty dope to me. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not really big or huge on, like, story mode games, stuff of that nature. So, you know, I like to stick to my sports and multiplayer games. But, yeah, man. But the game look fairly dope to me. You know what I'm saying? And they got tape everywhere. Come on, Microsoft. Can a brother get in the box? Alright. I'm hoping this is the last piece of tape that I have to unstrap here. Oh, no, we got one more. We got one more. You ain't stealing this, dog. Hey, making sure you ain't stealing this. For sure, for sure. Alright, man. Let's see if this thing pops open. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I also got some accessories as well, too, man. We got some accessories here. We're going to do an unboxing of that as well, man. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you stay tuned for the full video. But anyways, man, Xbox in 2023. Here's this bad boy. And I did get a chance to play the slim version, but I wanted to get the big dog, man. It's more power. Power your dreams. Y'all know Microsoft slogan, man, here for the new consoles here. But like I said, man, I did get a chance to mess around with the Xbox Series S. But like I was saying, I wanted to try out the big dog here, man. I wanted to try out the big dog. Oh my, Alexa's talking to me. Alexa, stop. And why you didn't call your name? You get to talking to me, you know what I'm saying? It's about scared me a little bit. But yeah, man. The Xbox, man. This joint is dope, though. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Not even gonna lie to you. Y'all let me know in the comments, man. Are y'all more so of a fan of Xbox or PlayStation? And let me know why. Why is the reason you play the PS5? What's the reason why you play the Xbox? If you got the new next gen, even if you don't got the new next gen and you plan on getting the next gen soon, let me know which console you plan on copying, man. But here you guys go, man. Xbox Series X, the big dog here, man. The big tower, look like a little mini refrigerator on the front right here. You do got your sync button as well as a USB port. You also got your DC jet right there. In the back of this mug, you got your couple of USB slots, your Ethernet slot, your expansion SSD storage right there, HDMI power. You know what I'm saying? Same old, same old. On the top, you do get that little green little accent on the top inside the grills here where the fan is at. At the bottom, you got your stand right here. And it does have on the bottom of it has hello from Seattle by Xbox. I don't know if the camera can, know if y'all can read that or not, but that's what it says at the bottom of this bad boy. What else we got inside the box here? Of course, you get your cables. You got your power cable right here. You got your HDMI cable as well. And last but not least, we have our controller. Now one thing I really don't like about Xbox, and I really wish they fixed this on the next generation here, man. Stop making controllers with batteries, man. You know what I'm saying? Just stop it. You know, just please stop. Just implement the battery in the back, and then we just charge it with the USB Type-C cable, man. But you guys go, man. We got the all black Xbox Series X controller here, man. I like the all black look personally. The all white is a dope look as well, but you know that white get real dirty real fast, man. So with the black, you don't really have to clean it as much as you would have to if you had the all white, man. I was going to get the they had like some new controller. It was like a gold finish that turned colors, and it had like some grips at the back. It was on sale right now for like, I think like $50 if I'm not mistaken. In retail for like, I want to say 70. So I was gonna get it, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna stick to the all black and all black theme. I think it looks well with my setup. But you gotta go, man. Look, on the back of the controller, you do get your Xbox logo right there. You know what I'm saying? Your triggers, you do get these little grooves on the controller for like extra grip. I do like that, as well as that same grip texture is on the triggers as well. D-pad, analog sticks, buttons, man. Got your all black Xbox button in the middle right there. Pretty fire controller, man. Pretty fire controller. I do like their Elite controller as well. I did do a video on that, man. If you guys haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. I did like the Xbox Elite controller versus the PS5 Pro controller, man. Pretty dope video, man. I like both controllers. All in all, I did end up choosing the PS5 controller, but a lot of people were saying that the PS5 controller, the battery life on that thing wasn't so good. And I was like, oh man, I haven't really got a chance to test the battery life out because, like I said, I usually play when I was playing it, I was using it on my PC playing Call of Duty. So but I hook up wired to to the PC, so it was automatically charging while I'm playing it. So I didn't really have that particular issue. But a lot of people saying the battery life on that mug wasn't that good. That's pretty much it that comes inside the box. Of course, you got your manual as well. You got this showing you how to set up everything for those who are new to the Xbox generation over here, man. I really miss those Xbox 360 days, man. How many of y'all miss those Xbox 360 days? Those were like the most goated memories ever, bro. Like the Xbox 360 and the PS3 time, man. Those are like goated memories, man. Back when playing online used to be free, especially for PlayStation. Now they got the memberships. You know what I'm saying? Microsoft will put them on game early. But anyways, man, let's go ahead and do a unboxing of the we got a controller here already. I already seen what the controller look like. We don't really need to do an unboxing of that. But we can do an unboxing of this wireless headset right here. Bam! You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and check these mugs out. Let's see. Peel this off. Yeah, man. Let's get this out here. You know what I'm saying? We Xboxed up over here. We Xboxed up, man. Am I switching over? I don't know, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be quiet. Now they watching us. Now you gotta relax. You know? But yeah, man. Let's unbox these. Now, these things are Bluetooth as well. Now they are not wired. Now they don't have no 3.5 millimeter socket for you to use to hook them up wired. So, but pretty dope headphones, man. I am gonna try them on here in a little bit, man. Wow. So you do get your logo right here on the ear cup. Say Xbox. On the other side is playing. You got your mic. You know what I'm saying? You can flip it up. It don't flip the mute. It is a mute button. should be on the back of the ear cup, which is that green button right there, man. That you can just press in to mute and unmute it. You got your dial wheel here to control your volume here, and then inside the ear cups you do get that left and right imprint. You know what I'm saying? Now these ear pads are removable for those who want to switch them out. You can like buy some replaceable ones, man, which is fire to me. And the other one also rotates as well to control the chat volume. So one controls game volume, the other controls chat volume, man. So that's pretty dope. Like I said, these are Bluetooth as well, so it's automatically syncs up with your Xbox, and you can use them Bluetooth on your PC. It does got the USB-C cable in this box, so let me go ahead and grab that. You must got it hidden somewhere. All right, here's the USB-C cable that does come along inside the box with the headsets. You also got some manuals if y'all want to read the manuals and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it that comes inside the box here, man. I'll give y'all a further in-depth review on these headsets, man. Let you know if you guys should cop them or not, man. I need to spend some time with them before I can drop that video. But from what I was hearing, these things, you know what I'm saying, they sound good, and they're a little bass heavy. Me particularly, I like the bass. I love bass, you know what I mean? So we shall see. We shall see. I think I had something else too. I also got let me see. Nah, we Xboxed out over here, man. Also got this Power A. Man, I almost fumbled that. Also got this Power A charger for the Xbox as well. So we ain't gotta worry about the batteries. You know what I'm saying? Microsoft, please fix that on the next generation. I wonder what makes them not want to switch to battery. If y'all know, please let me know in the comments, man. I am curious of why Xbox keep making controllers with the batteries, man. Like, just let me know. They got the Pro controllers that don't use batteries. They should start making the standard edition controllers not to have batteries as well, and just use that USB Type-C. They know how to implement it. I'm hoping and praying that they do implement that in the next generation, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking forward to seeing that. If not, dropping it before the next generation, I'd definitely be the first in line to grab one of those controllers. Man, this thing is taped up, huh? Let me see. Box already kind of. Yeah. Yeah. Bam. All right, here we go, man. Now, this does charge 2 controllers at once. Like I said, I do got 2 controllers, man. You know what I'm saying? So when one go dead, we can swap it out with another one. That was my main purpose of getting the extra controller. So here's the dock right here itself. You know what I'm saying? Pretty fire, pretty fire. So I didn't know it had that grip texture about it. I was a little concerned. I was wondering, like, is it gonna be grippy? Yeah, that thing ain't going nowhere. I know I had the PlayStation ones. I had the PlayStation dual controller charger. I don't recall it having no grip texture. But if I'm not mistaken, it was just had like this. It was kind of made like the PlayStation, and just was plastic. It didn't have the extra grips at the bottom, man. So shout out to Power A, even though this ain't made by Microsoft, it's made by Power A. But you know what I'm saying, shout out for them for implementing that on the base station. You got your power AC power adapter right there, and you got your back plates, which are included. So you're gonna have to replace the original back plates on the controller itself. Oh, so they gave us 4 black back plates. That's fire. That's fire. Okay, that's cool. I didn't know that. And last but not least, we do have the rechargeable batteries. Now they did include 2, so you have no worries, man. Pretty small, man. Pretty small. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and drop this in the controller right now, just to see, man. Just to see. Which way this go? Negative. Sure it goes in this way right here. Oh, fumble. Am I tripping? Yeah, this way. Alright, that's a snug fit. That's definitely a snug fit. Bam, there you guys go. That's what it looked like without the cap on. Now I'm about to pull the put the cap that goes back onto the controller, the back plate here. Want to make sure that's really in there though before we do. And there we go. Third party back plate for your Xbox controller. Nice fit, nothing loose. Yeah, it's a nice fit, nothing loose. It's not shaky or anything of that nature, man. And now it does add like a little extra bulk to the back of the controller, just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit, but I don't think it's not gonna be nothing that's gonna be interfering with you. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got no paddles or nothing like that back there, so it shouldn't be no issue. I guess you just docking in there, man. Like I said, man, I will be doing like a full in-depth review on this, man, letting you guys know how well it holds up. Now it does claim up to 40 hours of a charge, so I mean a playtime, I should say. So we got two 1100 mAh rechargeable batteries, the AC powered. So yeah, man, up to 40 hours of playtime with the controller, man. So I'm assuming that's with a piece. Yeah, up to 40 hours of gameplay. Yeah, man. So yeah, I'm gonna be the judge of that, man. Like I said, man, I'm gonna download a couple games I done purchased already. I need to go ahead and install those. But that's pretty much it, guys, man. The Xbox Series X here, the big dog, man. Super excited that I was able to get my hands on this, man. Like I said, it is the bundle version. I don't even know where the game is at. I'm pretty sure it's like somewhere in the box, man. But anyways, man, there you guys go, man. The Xbox Series X 2023. Y'all comment y'all thoughts and opinions below. Are y'all still trying to get y'all hands on the next gen console? If so, which console you plan on getting? The Xbox or the PS5? Y'all know it's about that time, man. It's about that time. You know, all these dope games are starting to come out, man. Y'all want to get your hands on that next gen if you can. You don't want to be missing out on those extra graphics, those extra functionalities, man, of the console. You don't want to be missing that, man. But anyways, man, y'all get in the comments. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions below about the unboxing, man. I'm always down there showing love. With that being said, be sure to check out one of the videos at the end of the stream because it's definitely a banger. I would miss it if I was you, man. Hold on, I forgot to put on the headphones for y'all. I'm tripping. I'm wilding out. Hold on, let me see. How we looking? It look good? Let me move this. Yeah. One shot. He one-shotted. Pick up. I don't know how the mic sounds. It's probably trash. On 9 times out of 10, I'm probably not going to be using this mic. I got an external mic over there. But overall, as far as comfortability, yeah, these must feel good, dog. The clamping forces, it's a little, I ain't going to say tight. To me, it's perfect. But it just all depends on your head size, honestly speaking. But it is more sort of like a firmer type. It ain't jiggling, wiggling all over the place like some other headphones do. So it's a pretty nice, snug fit. But yeah, man, that's gonna do it, man. Y'all be sure to check out one of the videos on the screen. Don't miss it. It's definitely a banger. I would miss it if I was you.